where's your ID card?
Have you ever found yourself struggling through your wallet or your handbag looking for your ID card?
Well, do we have the solution for you?
SLI-D is a state-of-the-art 3D printed ID and license card holder. As you can see, this is how you put the card in. We have a locking mechanism on top that actually keeps your card secure and safe. As you can see, that card's not going anywhere. And you can always pop the card out right here, which is why we call our product SLI-D. You can slide your product out, quick and easy. It has rounded edges so you won't cut yourself or cut your clothing. In addition, we know you always have your keys because you got to go home at some point, right? So we implemented a keychain holder that you could always put your SLI-D card right on. I hope to see you soon.